In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to Notion and use it to generate and refine content efficiently. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can use AI inside your Notion workflow without making things messy or giving access to more than necessary. The goal here is to save time while still staying in control of the final result. Start by opening the Notion page where you want to use AI generated content. This helps you stay focused on the exact workspace where the new material will go, whether that's a notes page, a project document, or a database entry. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct page so you don't accidentally place content in the wrong location. Next, connect ChatGPT to Notion using the integration method demonstrated in the video. As you do this, pay close attention to the permissions being requested. It's always a good idea to keep access limited and intentional. When prompted, give the connection access only to the pages it actually needs. This is an important best practice for privacy, organization, and long-term workspace management. Once the connection is ready, open or select the Notion content you want ChatGPT to process. This could be raw notes, a meeting summary, a rough draft, research material, or any text that needs improvement. The clearer and more relevant the source content is, the better the AI response will usually be. Now ask ChatGPT to summarize, rewrite, translate, organize, or expand the information depending on what you need. Be specific here. Include clear instructions about the desired format and tone so the response matches your purpose. For example, you might want something concise and professional, more detailed and friendly, or structured in a way that fits neatly into your Notion page or database. Before you add anything back into Notion, take a moment to review the generated response carefully. This step matters because AI can be helpful, but it still needs human judgment. Check for clarity, accuracy, tone, and whether the formatting works for your setup. If the response looks good, insert the approved content into the correct page or database property. Keeping things organized at this stage will make your workspace much easier to use later. If the result feels incomplete or not quite right, continue by asking follow-up questions to improve it. Small adjustments often make a big difference, and a quick refinement can turn a decent draft into something truly useful. That's the process for using ChatGPT with Notion in a clean, controlled, and productive way.